What if I told you there's a hidden power that can help you achieve the impossible? It's been in front of you this whole time, the law of attraction. Today, we're unlocking the hidden power of the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that whatever you focus on, whether it's positive or negative, expands in your life. But here's the hidden part. It's not just about positive thinking, it's about aligning your energy and emotions with your desires. When you visualize your goals and truly believe they're possible, you attract opportunities and people that help make them a reality. By practicing daily gratitude, visualization, and positive affirmations, you're not just dreaming, you're actively shaping your future. If you're ready to start attracting your dreams, hit that subscribe button. Check out the resources in the description to dive deeper into the law of attraction's incredible power. Let's start manifesting the impossible, and click the link below this video for a free law of attraction workbook.